Hello everyone, my name is Ilir and I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair store in Holland, Michigan. Today I'm going to talk about LG, just in general, LG TVs with a backlight issue. In this case, this is a 65-inch LG UH5500 series with a backlight issue. If you have the same TV or any type LGs that screen comes up and the LG logo flashes and then it goes back out, or it stays on but there's no picture, that definitely is your backlights. In this case, after having the same problem and tested all the lights, just for one LED, you have to replace the whole set. I mean, you don't have to, but it's highly recommended. If you do replace just one with either closer model or similar, you might have a risk that the TV would go out again. This is because the LEDs during the operation, they can get weaker, and if you replace one good one, another bad one, it's going to go bad. In this case, I highly recommend to replace the set instead of doing individual, because it's not going to work. But this also for any kind of LG TVs, you have to do the set, not individuals. I tried it before, and after a week, TV would go back again to the same problem, and you'll just have a customer that is unhappy. I also recommend that if you don't have any professional skill, or if you haven't done this before, you got to be careful, because if you remove the screen and if you crack the screen while you're removing, you can end up, even if you replace the LEDs, you're not going to be able to have the TV working. So I would recommend to take some caution and some careful steps to remove everything apart, so when you put it back in, everything is going to work. But if you do have an LG TV with a flashing logo and then TV goes out, that's definitely is the backlight. And if you find out which LED is bad, you have to replace the whole set. Don't replace just one. You might end up doing the same thing and open the TV again. So replace one set, you don't have to do that again. If this video helps, please leave thumbs up. Other ways, for any question, you can text me. And if anything else, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.